Smoked ribs in a gas grill. In YouTube I saw this video how to smoke in gas grill, so I decided to try myself. So just get your smoking box and fill it with elder and put it in the gas grill. When you have preheated the gas grill, place the box on top of the flavorizer bars like this. After that we are going to grill with indirect heat. So the left hand side burner is in a half position and other burners are off. We're going to place the ribs in a cold side of the grill, and then we are going to grill those, let's say about 2 hours first and then another 2 hours. We put some water in the grill so it will keep the air moist and of course the ribs more moist. And in no time some smoke will be created. The target temperature is around 120 Celsius. And when smoke starts to disappear, we are going to take these ribs out and put some barbecue sauce on them. Then we wrap these bad boys in aluminum foil and it will keep the ribs moist and tender. And again, another 2 hours, low and slow. And then a bit more heat to get some crust and some more sauce to get this sticky surface. And then it's ready. And here is the result, and as you can see there is this pinkish smoke ring in there, so the smoking was success, but the texture was too tough, so I didn't like this as much as in a pressure cooker. So next time I will pressure cook my ribs and then finish it in a gas grill. This is how I prefer it. It should be really tender.